Have you ever eaten watermelon on a hot day and instantly felt refreshed? Or squeezed lemon into water and felt like you just reset your whole body? Now here's the crazy part. Most people think lemon is only good for vitamin C, and watermelon is just sweet water with seeds. But what if I told you these two simple fruits have hidden benefits that can support your heart, digestion, skin, energy, and even inflammation? And some of the benefits I'm about to share today are so surprising that many people don't believe them until they feel the difference. So if you've ever dealt with bloating, tiredness, bad digestion, dull skin, high blood pressure, dehydration, stubborn inflammation, then stay until the end, because benefit number 9 and number 10 are the ones that shock most people. Let's jump right into it. 1. They hydrate your body better than plain water. Let's start with the obvious, but in a deeper way. Watermelon is about 92% water, and lemon water naturally encourages you to drink more fluids. But here's what most people don't know. Watermelon contains natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. So, when you eat watermelon, you're not just drinking water, you're replenishing minerals that help your body actually hold on to hydration. And lemon helps by supporting digestion and stimulating saliva production, meaning your body processes fluids more efficiently. Have you ever drank a lot of water but still felt thirsty? That's usually a mineral problem, not a water problem. This combo is one of the best natural hydration tricks, especially in hot weather. 2. They can help reduce bloated stomach fast. If your stomach gets bloated after eating, listen closely. Lemon is known to support digestion because it increases stomach acid slightly, helping break down food better. Meanwhile, watermelon is a natural, mild diuretic, meaning it helps your body flush excess water retention. So if your bloating is from salty food, poor digestion, water retention, constipation buildup, this combo may help reduce that puffiness naturally. A simple trick: eat a bowl of watermelon, then sip warm lemon water afterward. Many people notice their stomach feels lighter within hours. 3. They support natural detox through your liver and kidneys. Now let's clear something up. Detox doesn't mean magic cleanse. Your body detoxes every day through your liver, your kidneys, your sweat, and your digestive system. Watermelon helps because it increases urine output gently, helping kidneys flush waste. And lemon contains compounds like citric acid that may reduce the risk of kidney stone formation by increasing citrate levels in urine. So, this isn't a trendy detox drink. It's your body's natural cleaning system getting support. Have you ever woken up feeling heavy, sluggish, and toxic? That's often your liver and digestion begging for hydration and nutrients. 4. They can support healthy blood pressure. This benefit is huge, especially for people over 35. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that supports blood vessel relaxation and circulation. Some studies suggest citrulline may improve blood flow by supporting nitric oxide production. Lemon contains potassium and antioxidants that also support heart health. So, the combination of watermelon plus lemon can be a heart-friendly duo. Now, of course, it doesn't replace medication, but adding these foods regularly may support your body naturally. Does high blood pressure run in your family? Comment yes, if it does. 5. They may improve skin glow and slow signs of aging. Now let's talk about the benefit everyone secretly wants: better skin. Lemon contains vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, vitamin A, and hydration that plumps skin cells. If your skin looks dull, tired, or dry, it may not be your skincare products. It may be dehydration and nutrient deficiency showing up on your face. Have you ever noticed how your skin looks better after eating fruits for a few days? That's not your imagination. That's hydration plus antioxidants doing their job. 6. They support digestion and may relieve constipation. If you struggle with constipation, listen carefully. Watermelon contains water plus fiber. Not heavy fiber like beans, but gentle fiber that helps stool move smoothly. Lemon helps by stimulating bile production, which supports digestion and bowel movement. Many people who drink lemon water in the morning notice they go to the bathroom more regularly. Now combine that with watermelon later in the day. That's like giving your digestive system a soft push without harsh laxatives. Be honest. Do you go every day? Or every 2 to 3 days? Because regular digestion is a big part of overall health. 7. They may help lower inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the root of many health issues, including joint pain, fatigue, headaches, high blood pressure, skin breakouts, even belly fat buildup. Watermelon contains lycopene, which is known for anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon contains flavonoids and vitamin C that fight oxidative stress. When oxidative stress decreases, inflammation often decreases too. That's why people who eat more fruit often report less joint stiffness, less swelling, better energy. Your body is not old. It's often just inflamed. 8. They can boost energy without caffeine. Most people rely on coffee or energy drinks. But what if the real reason you feel tired is dehydration and low electrolytes? Watermelon gives your body water, potassium, magnesium, natural sugar for quick fuel, and lemon supports better digestion and absorption. So instead of feeling sleepy after lunch, try watermelon as a snack and lemon water afterward. You may notice your brain feels clearer and your body feels lighter. Do you crash in the afternoon around 2 or 3 p.m.? That might be your hydration calling for help. 9. They may support weight loss by reducing cravings. Now this is the one people don't expect. Watermelon is sweet, but low in calories. It satisfies sugar cravings without the heavy damage of candy or soda. Lemon water can also reduce cravings by balancing digestion and supporting stable appetite. So instead of snacking on cookies, try a bowl of chilled watermelon with a little lemon juice squeezed over it. It tastes like a natural dessert. And because it hydrates you, it helps reduce false hunger signals. Most people don't realize, sometimes you're not hungry. You're thirsty. And your brain confuses thirst with hunger. This simple combo can help you snack smarter. 10. They may support muscle recovery and reduce body aches. Here's a benefit most people never talk about. Watermelon contains citrulline, which may help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after exercise. That's why some athletes drink watermelon juice. Lemon also contains minerals and antioxidants that support muscle function. So, if you wake up with body aches, or you feel stiff after working, cleaning, walking, or exercising, this fruit combo can help support recovery naturally. Sometimes your body doesn't need painkillers. It needs hydration and minerals. How to use lemon plus watermelon the right way. Now let's talk about how to actually use this. Option 1. Lemon water in the morning. Warm water. Half a lemon. Sip slowly. Option 2. Watermelon snack midday. 1 to 2 cups of watermelon. Option 3. Watermelon lemon refresher drink. Blend watermelon, strain if you want, then add lemon juice. If you have acid reflux, don't overdo lemon. Start with a small amount. And if you're diabetic, watermelon is healthy but still contains natural sugar, so portion matters. So let's quickly recap. Lemon and watermelon can help. 1. Hydrate better than water alone. 2. Reduce bloating. 3. Support liver and kidney detox. 4. Improve circulation and blood pressure support. 5. Improve skin glow. 6. Support digestion and constipation relief. 7. Reduce inflammation. 8. Boost natural energy. 9. Reduce cravings and support weight control. 10. Improve muscle recovery. And the best part? These are 2 foods most people already have access to. If you enjoyed this, don't leave without doing this one thing. Like this video so YouTube shows it to more people who need natural remedies. Subscribe to Nature Life Remedy because we share powerful health tips every week. And comment below, do you use lemon water? Or do you love watermelon more? Let me know which one you eat more, lemon or watermelon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.